BMW 325i M Sport, in for some repairs to sticky and damaged door handles. See, the team has started working on filling in the holes that were actually shown in the images. You can actually see that the holes and dents that were formerly there were now gone already. It's actually coated back and repaired. And now we're actually protecting it from the respray. So about 50% to 60% completion. We're going to work on another layer. On the side here, they still need to touch up some of the color. As you can see, the major holes are no longer visible. Actually, patch has also gotten to respray this. Now there's only some final touch-ups that are needed for these back sections. Cleaning up process that needs to be done.